Hi everyone, in this video we're reviewing key problems for our test tomorrow. Okay, so first one's number 2. Here we're trying to find angle Q right here. So a key is this 47 right here is alternate exterior with this 47 here. So that's 47. So since that's true, then this entire angle here is 180 degrees. So we could say 47 plus 77 plus Q equals 180. So solving that problem, 47 plus 77 is 124. So 124 plus Q, take away 124 from both sides, and Q equals 56. So that's our answer. Next one, we're finding x and y in this diagram. Okay, so a key is that if we extend these lines out, then 72 and this x minus 5 are in the same place. So we could write x minus 5 equals 72, add 5, and you get x is 72. So we're looking for x and y, and x is 72. To find y, well, if we plug 72 back in, and in reviewing this I see that I did 72 plus 5 and I said that was 72, but that's 77, so x is really 77. Okay, so plugging 77 back in to here, 77 minus 5 is 72. So this angle here, that total angle there is 72. So this entire line from here to here is 180 degrees. So we'll have 72 plus 51 plus y minus 6 equals 180 degrees. So solving for y, 72 plus 51 is 123 plus y minus 6. So 123 minus 6 is 117 plus y is 180. So take away 117 from both sides, and you'll get 180 minus 117 is 63. So that's what y is. Y is 63. So answer 77 and 63. The key to this problem is that you have this acute angle here and this obtuse angle here. So they are not equal, they are supplementary because of these parallel lines. So since they're supplementary, they add to 180. So 7x plus 2x plus 36 equals 180. Solving for x, you have 9x plus 36 is 180. Take away 36. You have 9x is equal to 180 minus 36 is 144. Then divide that by 9. And x equals 16. So that's our answer. Next one. Triangular playground has angles at a ratio of 8, 6, and 4. So if we draw in a triangle, then the three angles at a ratio of 8x to 6x to 4x, since they're in a ratio of 8, 6, and 4. So those three angles add up to 180 degrees because it's a triangle. So 8x plus 6x plus 4x, if you add those together, you'll get 18x equals 180. Divide by 18, and you get x is equal to 10. Okay, so since x is 10, we're looking for the measure of the smallest angle. Smallest one would be 4x. Fill in 10, and you get 40 degrees. So that's the smallest angle. This one, we're looking to find x. So a key is that here is 180 degrees. So the missing angle in the triangle right here is 180 minus 105. So 180 minus 105 is 75. So if that's 75, then the three angles in the triangle add up to 180. So 75 plus 72 is 147. 180 minus 147 is 33. So the missing angle is 33. Here we want to graph this equation. Y plus 3 is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 2. So one way to do it would be to figure out what coordinates are in this point slope form. So the x coordinate, since it's minus, then the actual x coordinate is 2. The y coordinate, since this is plus, the actual y coordinate is negative 3. Because if we were to plug those in backwards, you would get x minus 2 and y minus negative 3. So it goes through 2 negative 3 with slope of negative 1/2. So graphing that, we're at coordinates 2 negative 3, which is right here, right 2 down 3. And from here we're going down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. So our line goes through those coordinates. Write an equation of the horizontal line that contains coordinates 3 and 4. Okay, so the horizontal line means that its slope is 0. And we're going through 3 and 4. So using point slope form, it's y minus 4 equals 0, parenthesis x minus 3. Distributing the 0, you get y minus 4 equals 0. Add 4, so y equals 4. What's an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that is perpendicular to this line right here, but it contains 8, negative 4. Okay, so if it's perpendicular to this line, so this slope is 2. Okay, so our line's slope perpendicular would be negative 1/2, but going through 8, negative 4. So writing the equation, y plus 4 equals negative 1/2, parenthesis, x minus 8. We want it in slope-intercept form, so solving for y, if we distribute the negative 1/2, we'll get negative 1/2 x. Negative times negative is positive. Half of 8 is 4. So if we take away 4 from both sides, we'll get y equals negative 1/2 x. And that's our answer in slope-intercept form. This problem, given angle 2 and 5 are supplementary, we're proving L and M are parallel. So parallel means that using the alternate interior angle theorem or same side interior, all those are off the table because we do not know that the lines are parallel yet. We have to prove that they are. Okay, so to prove this, let's have statements and reasons, and let's fill in our given. That angles 2 and 5 are supplementary because that's given. Now, next we want to pick two angles that are vertical, but we have to be collecting data about either angle 2 or angle 5. So if we choose angle 2, then vertical to 2 is 3. So we could say that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Our goal is to use substitution or the transitive property to prove this. So by substitution, we can prove, so if we fill in this 3 for this 2, because this statement says that 2 and 3 are identical. So instead of writing a 2 here, we'll write a 3. We'll have angle 3 and 5 are supplementary. Now, since 3 and 5 are supplementary, 3 and 5 are same side interior angles. So we can prove that the lines are parallel. L is parallel to M, and that's by the converse of the same side interior theorem. All right, good luck on your test tomorrow.